Hello and welcome back to my channel, Sean Pennington Reviews. If you're watching my channel, thank you for watching my channel. This is just pretty much an update video on my progress into my yeard. And for some of y'all that don't know what a yeard is, that's growing a beard for a whole year. Now, there's different ways of going about growing a yeard. You can go about it with letting it grow out without doing anything to it, or you can grow it out for the year, but you're still kind of like shaping it up and making it look, presentable. But the whole point of this video is to kind of, do an update. And I was kind of put on the spot yesterday by my son. He was asking me what was my goal for my channel. He was asking me, well, how many times was I going to post and all that stuff. And I didn't really realize how big YouTube was until he came in there and he got so excited that I was doing YouTube. So I'm kind of glad that I'm kind of doing it, because maybe it'll inspire him to do YouTube. I already have one of my sons doing YouTube, or trying to. So if I can inspire him to do that, hey, that's gravy. But the whole point and the goal of my channel really is to eventually, build up enough subscribers and maybe hopefully give away stuff eventually. I would love to be able to just give away a beard kit for somebody starting out or somebody who needs it. That's the whole point of being a beardsman, man. When you start growing a beard, it really is a brotherhood. I didn't really expect to have 15 subscribers when I started doing the channel, to be honest. And then people was reaching out to me and telling me to stay on the journey, and it's pretty awesome, man. Once you how many people just reached out, and I can't express that enough, man. I appreciate the people that subscribe to my channel. It's awesome what type of platform YouTube is. First of all, it's just for people to just reach out to you and tell you to keep on going, and they like your videos, and it's pretty cool. But my goal for my channel is pretty much just to eventually get up there with subscribers and give away some stuff and have fun with the channel, and maybe educate, inform, motivate, inspire somebody who wants to grow a beard. Maybe inspire somebody to do something else with their life. Maybe they, need inspiration in that way. But that's the whole point of my channel. So if you're watching this video, thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate anybody who's viewing this video. Thank you.